Tanvi Pawar and welcome to a new video. Well, in this video, I'm gonna tell you something regarding the sentences, the words, how you're gonna learn English according to the different times of the day. Well, if you haven't watched my previous video, the steps of learning English, in which I told about the chunk sentences, different words and big paragraphs, so you should definitely go and watch that video first, the step of learning English, and then you're gonna come back in this video. Well, let's start. How are you gonna do the word part, the sentences part, and the big paragraphs one? So let's start from the word thing. Now, many of us, we people come through thousands of words daily, per day, and do we really speak all those words? Coming all of those 1,000 words, what are you gonna do is, you should speak all those words, mix those words with your initial language, with your dialect, mix those words with English, and then what you'll do is, those English words will be on your tongue, and you're gonna speak those sentences like in daily life. So let's start it, the words part. What are you gonna do? Normally, you come through a day, you come through a word. For example, you come through a word, if you're gonna take the camera. So that thing, the camera part, mix it with your dialect, or mix it with your initial language. Next word, if you come across trash, so start speaking the word trash, mixing up with your language. Or any word like grudge or crush, any kind of word you come through a day. The next part is regarding the small sentences, the chunk sentences. What do you really think about those sentences? In the morning part, when you wake up in the morning, you are gonna speak the sentences. Now, all those words which you have already done in the first step, which were like mixing all those normal words, you have to come up with a small sentence. Now, you just woke up in the morning and you spoke the sentences like, I woke up at this time today. Yesterday I woke up at 6 a.m. Today I woke up at 5 a.m. What I'm gonna cook for breakfast? At what time am I gonna leave? Should I take a day off? I've gotta go brush my teeth. I'm gonna go shower. Or whenever, if you're gonna go to your bus stop, I'm gonna get late. I gotta hurry. Otherwise, I'll leave my bus. Again, now it comes all with the morning part. When you're leaving from your home, where did I keep the keys? Where is my car? Or where is the lock and the keys? I should have kept it somewhere. I should search. Next, when you're locking the door, I've locked the door, I should hide the keys. And next, according to the situation, you have to speak all of those sentences. Finally, you have reached your destination. After reaching to your destination, you're gonna speak the sentences like, I've reached here, I'm gonna mark my attendance, good morning teacher, and we are gonna go there today. Today my target is to complete all these things. Now, after you have done all of the morning part, it comes for a break, the lunchtime, the midday. Now in midday, some of the people take a break, some of the people eat lunch, and we take a nap. So at the lunchtime, I've prepared this in the morning. It's gonna be a great lunch today. After it, you're gonna speak the sentences like, I should really take a nap. I am exhausted. If it's 2 p.m., I'll wake up at 3 p.m. and would do the work again. I should go and meet my friends, because many of the people, whenever we get break, we go and try to meet our friends and colleagues in that break. I think I'll go and do some shopping as I've got the break. And many of us, we just stay at home. We don't go to our work for some days. So in the afternoon, you're gonna speak the sentences like, I think I should take a nap. I think I should go meet someone. I am totally free. What should I do? I should watch the television, or I should call someone. According to the situation, again, speak all of those sentences. The next is the evening part, the best part of the day, where you come back from your job, or from your work, or from your school, and for all of those who are just staying at home. So you're coming back and you think, I think I'm gonna get hurry. I have to pick up some vegetables for cooking the dinner today. I have to pick this on my way home. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get dressed up in my night dress and I'll get comfortable. Finally, you have reached home. It was a big day today. I think I really need a rest. I'm exhausted. I should play. For all those people who are staying at home, it's evening time. Let's go and play some outdoor games. So again, regarding the situation. The nighttime. According to the night, when you just start preparing your bed, what are you gonna speak? This is the time to prepare the bed. I should take out some blankets. It was really chilly the last day night, and today I'm gonna take out some more blankets. And the words like, it's 10 p.m, I'll sleep. I should set the alarm for this. I should definitely have milk before sleeping. And after this, the next sentence, the next step which we are moving on, after you have done the words part or after you have done something, all these things regarding the morning, the evening, the afternoon part, now we come on the big paragraphs. Now we can't go in front of anyone and speak all of those big paragraphs, but what you're gonna do is all of the sentences and the words which you have already been speaking, you're gonna mix them in a paragraph. Now, as we know, a conversation, we are holding a conversation, so take that conversation in all English. What you're gonna do is, whenever you're speaking to someone, we speak to 1,000 people in a day, so speak with all of them in English. Except those people can't understand. So yeah, what you're gonna do, speak in English and do all conversation in English. That's it. When your all dialogues will come up as a big paragraph. So finally, you have mastered the day and your day is done. So this was how you will master English after these tips. So follow these tips and you're definitely gonna master it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to press the subscribe button, the like button, do comment, and do share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this.